for seasons: March, April and May season, and then September, October, November and December season as the first and the second season respectively. However, regions in the northern sector of our country experience another rainfall season, that is for June, July and August season, which favors that part of the country. Now, the general outlook is as follows. The country is expected to experience near normal, that is near average, to above normal, that is enhanced rainfall over the forecast period. In particular, the areas expected to receive above normal, that is enhanced rainfall, include highland areas of South Western, Rwenzori region and Mount Elgon region extending up to Karamoja. Now, the rainfall onset is expected to be established by early March in the southern parts of the country, especially southwestern, central, western Lake Victoria basin, and eastern. While the northern and northeastern areas of the country, the onset is expected by mid to late March. Now, the onset is likely to be characterized by severe isolated thunderstorms associated with strong winds, lightning, and hailstorms. Here below, I provide a summary of onset, the peak, cessation, and the seasonal outlook for the different regions of our country. I'll start with the southwestern region, including districts of Rubanda, Ruchiga, Rwampara, Kazo, Rukungiri, Kanungu, Ntungamo, Mbarara, Chiruhura, Isingiro, Ibanda, Kitagwenda, Bushenyi, Bueju, Mitoma, Shema, Rubirizi, and Kasese districts. Now, here we expect above normal rainfall, that is enhanced rainfall. It's more than what we usually get. And the onset is characterized by the already ongoing thunder showers, which is already depicting the onset. So the region is already within the timelines for the onset. We expect the peak to be experienced by late March to mid-April in this region, and cessation, that is the end of the rains, expected by late May to early June. Now, looking at western, containing districts of Bundigujo, Ntoroko, Kabale, Kabarole, Chenjojo, Chegegwa, Kamwenge, Chibale, Chikube, Bunyagabu, Kakumiro, Kagadi, Hoima, Bulisa, and Masindi districts. This midwestern part will experience above normal rainfall as well. And the onset has already just started. We expect the peak to be experienced by mid-April, and then the cessation of the seasonal rains expected by late May to early June. Next is western areas of central region, where we have